Go ahead and make yourself comfortable. Lay your hands out in front of you on your desk or in your lap. We are going to draw small circles with your finger or thumb. You can make circles on your desk or on your leg. Alright, here we go. Make a circle. Just a small one, only about an inch. Now reverse the circle the opposite direction. And back. That's the idea. Just keep making small circles. To the right. To the left. To the right. To the left. Now we're going to time your circles with a breath. Inhale as you draw a circle. Exhale as you reverse the circle. Inhale, circle. Exhale, circle. Keep going, and we'll start counting the circles. I'll say the number aloud as you draw the circle, and you say it silently in your head. Ready? Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Good. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. One more time. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Inhale, 7. Exhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Exhale, 10. You did a great job. Hopefully you're a little more relaxed now and ready to continue your day.